Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in NX. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component. While modeling any component in NX, first do the add material feature, then do the remove material features. After modeling this component in NX, the component will look like this. This is our component. The same component, we are going to recreate it using NX. These are the dimension model, we are going to use it. So first, to start the model, go to File, New, Model. Our units are in millimeter. Make sure you are choosing a millimeter. Specify the file name and specify the location to save. Then save OK. Now we have opened it. For easy drawing, I am going to keep this file left side, software in the right side. For this model, I am going to start with this base plate. Go to Sketch. I am going to take a top plane. Save OK. First I am taking a rectangle. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Now specify the dimensions. The length is 56. 56 plus enter. Do you want to scale the entire sketch? Yes. Press the roller to confirm. Now this height is, here you can see the radius they have specified 18. This height is 18 plus 18. This is 18 plus 18. Press the roller to confirm. Now the model is not the located. The center point is not. Make this as a symmetric model. From this point, and axis. Just apply. Again make it like this. This point, and make this axis as this one. Just say OK. Now you can see it now as sketch is fully defined. Finish the sketch. Now go just edit the model. Now we just want to make this two arc by using arc. Make sure you are in the center and end points. Here, this point and this point. Similarly, midpoint here and here. Now we have created. Just press the roller to confirm. Now remove the unwanted edges. Press the roller. Go to the trim. Select this one and this one. Just close it. Just finish the sketch. Extrude. Select the sketch. Extrusion is 8 mm. Here you can see. Symmetric value is 8. Save OK. Now we have created this base plate without the hole. This hole will make it final. Now we'll create this one. This vertical plate. For that, go to the sketch again. Select the surface. Save OK. First create the axis. There is no specific tool for axis in NX. Just create a line. Specify the dimension. Any dimension we can specify it. Make it fixed curve. And make it this as axis. Now we'll create a rectangle. Take a rectangle from here to here. The rectangle length is 40 and height is 32. This length is 40. Press the roller to confirm. Height is 32. Press the roller to confirm. Still it is movable curve. That is because we are not made symmetric to the axis. Just click this one. Click this point. Click this point. Click this axis. Just apply it. Now we have made this one. Just finish the sketch. Let extrude. Change the direction. The thickness of the model is 10. Just save OK. Now we have created this plate also. Then we'll create this feature. For that, go to the sketch again. Select the surface. Save OK. Here also just make axis. Make sure you are in the entire assembly. Then only you can able to select the point. Yes. just specify the length, something 1 or 2. Just make construction line and take the circle, make a circle here. The circle outside circle diameter is 30 and the circle center is 32 mm from this edge. From this point to this edge, the dimension is 32. Press the roller to confirm. Now we just want to make a tangent line to connect it to these points. Take a profile from here to this point and this point and this point. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Now remove the unwanted segments. This segment by using a trim. Just remove it and remove it. Just close it. This length is 40. Now just finish the sketch. Extrude. Change the direction here, this side. The thickness of this plate is 10 mm. Say OK. Now we have created this. Here the cylinder extruded up to the 10 mm outside also. Further just go to the sketch again. Select this one. Say OK. Take a circle. This is the center point. Just create a circle. Just press the roller. Now sketch is fully defined. Finish the sketch again. Just extrude it. The total extrusion is 10 mm. Just say OK. Now finally the final material addition feature is a rib. We just want to create this rib. For that just go to the sketch again. Select this right plane. Say OK. Now take a line, this end point and this end point. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Here you can see the sketch is fully defined. Just finish the sketch. Go for option called a rib. Now the rib is created with a thickness of 12 mm. Parallel section, symmetric, just say OK. Now hide all the sketches. This is the model. Now we just want to make couple of holes. Just take the standard hole. Take this cursor to the edge of the hole. You will get hole at the center of the circle. Here also similarly. Yes. Now the hole is created. Just specify the diameter of the hole is 16 mm and normal to the face. Until next, subtract, just apply it. Similarly here. Now the diameter of the hole here is 20 mm. Normal to the face. Until next, just say OK. Now the complete hole is created and all the features are drawn. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends. For next tutorial, we will come up with a new component. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.